for a living?
I am a member of Emerald Bend City Council, and I have been since November of 2023.
And why did you want to become a city council member?
I felt passionate about preserving the natural resources of Emerald Bend.
And are you familiar with Logan Gold?
Yes, she's my wife. We've been married for 12 years, and we have a 2-year-old son named Charlie. She was also my assistant campaign manager during the campaign.
And how would you describe Logan?
Logan is profoundly kind and caring. She was with me every step of the way, despite running her own business.
And who are you running against in the election for city council?
Taylor Alexander.
Now I'd like to talk to you about November 11th, 2023. Was anything of significance supposed to happen that day?
Yes, Taylor and I had a debate scheduled for 12 p.m. that morning, impromptu to the debate on November 14th.
And what did you do in the morning of the debate?
I woke up around 9 a.m. and I noticed that Logan had left a note on the bedside table.
And what did the note read?
It explained that she was going to be out handing out flyers and that she would meet me at the debate later.
And did you notice anything else that morning?
Yes, Logan had forgotten her phone at home. That was a surefire sign to me that she must have been nervous. She never forgets her phone.
And now I'd like to talk to you about the debate. What time did you arrive at the debate?
Around 11 a.m.
And did Logan come to the debate?
Yes, although much later, around 12:30 p.m.
And did you know why she was late?
She explained to me that her car had broken down on the fire road. She seemed very apologetic.
Objection, Your Honor. Hearsay.
Your Honor, this hearsay falls into the hearsay section state of mind to show that Logan was apologetic for being late and that they believed they were late because their car had broken down on the road.
Your Honor, I'm objecting to the statement made by this witness that read, my car broke down. Saying my car broke down doesn't reveal any state of mind of their emotion, physical condition, intent, plan, motive, mental state, pain, or bodily health.
Your Honor, I still believe that we are offering under the state of mind exception to show that Logan's existing state of mind was being apologetic because they had been late to the debate due to their car breaking down.
That may be what you believe, but it's not what the rule allows. So if you want to ask Logan Gold if they were apologetic, you can, but you're trying to introduce hearsay. It needs to fit into the exception, which this doesn't, for the reasons that counsel stated. So I'm going to sustain the objection.
Permission to strike all testimony. From the record.
Yes, on the record, I assume, in response to that one question.
Yep.
Yes.
And did anything stand out to you about the debate?
Yes, Taylor Alexander never showed up.
And did anything of significance happen later that day?
Yes, Deputy Kim showed up at our campaign headquarters, and told Logan and I that Miss Alexander had been kidnapped.
And what happened next?
Deputy Kim searched Logan's car and then our home and then arrested her. I'm still devastated that this happened to her and our family.
Thank you, Harper. Nothing further this time, Your Honor.
Cross?
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning, Mr. Wright.
Good morning.
During the race, a contentious issue was vacation rentals, yeah?
Correct?
You disagreed with Taylor Alexander on vacation rentals.
Yes.
Your wife, Logan Gold, was the owner of the Gold Standard Inn.
Wasn't is correct?
Yeah, is the owner of the Gold Standard Inn. This inn is the only inn in town, yeah?
Yeah.
As the owner of the only inn in town, the defendant was quite passionate throughout this campaign.
Yes, although I don't think that was the only reason.
You agree that sometimes the defendant's passion throughout this campaign makes you feel pressure, yes?
Yes, but it was never intentional.
Moving on, I'd like to talk about November 11th. That morning you woke up at around 9 a.m.
Correct.
and you found a note beside your bed from Logan.
Yes.
This note said that Logan went out to pass out their campaign flyers.
Our campaign flyers, yes.
Yes. But Logan's phone was still on the nightstand.
Correct?
Logan doesn't typically leave their house without their phone, do they?
Yeah.
continuing, you arrived at the debate at around 11, right?
Mhm.
And Taylor was nowhere to be seen?
Yes.
Neither was the defendant.
Yeah.
Later, the defendant arrived at around 12:30.
Yes.
The defendant looked rather frazzled, didn't they?
Yes.
But they didn't offer a full explanation for their absence.
Not at the time, no.
In fact, the only thing they said was, it's all been taken care of. Yeah.
Correct.
Thank you, Mr. Ray. Thank you, Your Honor. No further questions.
Any redirect?
Yes, Your Honor. Harper, you mentioned, on cross you mentioned that Logan was late to the debate. Did Logan ever explain to you why they were late?
Yes, they later explained that her car had broken down on the fire road. And that's why she
Objection,
was
Your
there.
Honor. This testimony is hearsay.
Response?
Your Honor, this is offered under the hearsay exception to state of mind, as we are showing that Logan had the mind to be apologetic because they were late to the debate.
Response?
Your Honor, we previously discussed that this statement did not fall under the state of mind section.
Objection sustained.
Thank you, Harper. Nothing further, Your Honor. May this witness be excused?
The witness is